Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
And these premium hand-cut glasses by SHOSHIN are the most incredible addition to my entertaining and beverage needs. I appreciate that when I drink from these cups, I don't have dribbling down my chin, which is most often the case. So I'm thrilled with the quality of these and the ease of drinking, how nicely it fits in the palm of my hand, how beautiful the polish is on these. I appreciate the fact that it has this crystal hand-cut and durable bottom as well. This makes for a really practical glass, great for entertaining. I also love that it holds hot beverages as well. So this is great for a plethora of your favorite drinks. And entertaining is so much more fun when you're drinking out of a glass like this. It holds 13 ounces of liquid, which is really reasonable and has been great for being clean because I can throw it in the dishwasher and keep them crystal clear, and they are beautiful.
We love them, but that's just our point of view.